Good morning, Lake Buena Vista. Let's walk around and check out the Wyndham Garden. Michelle, how are you just floating in the air like that? I can't see your legs. You're just floating. Beautiful, so colorful, especially the color green, which I'd almost forgotten existed. Looks like they've got a nice little pool bar. Let's probably get some snacks and beverages. Oh, this is fun. A little kids splash zone. This is a beautiful pool. Looks like it's going to be a really nice day. Sit, sip, and relax. You got your daiquiris, rum drinks, smoothies, salads, burgers. You get a grilled Cuban sandwich, turkey wraps. Yeah. Oh, it looks really good. But it's not very expensive, really. Nice area, some fans, and get you out of the sun. It's getting a little too hot. And over here you can get floats and sunglasses, anything you might have forgotten. We've got some tennis courts here. It's very nice. This rock feature is really cool. The waterfall, it's very nice. Palm trees. So this resort is actually 2 hotels in one. We're in the Wyndham Garden, and I believe this is called the Wyndham Tower. And there's a nice big hot tub over here, and a second pool. I don't know if this is really a kid's pool. It's 3 feet deep over here and 5 feet in the deep end. It's probably a little bit too deep for some kids. They don't know how to swim. We have a nice area here for having a picnic. Picnic tables. And they have a little, it's sort of a half-court basketball. And you can play some beach volleyball. This is a fun resort. But Michelle's got her combat fatigues on. She's ready for war. Battle of Epcot. Behind this wall is all the mechanical stuff for the pools, but they've done all of these little tiles, probably done by guests. There's all kinds of things going on, and some signage that says what's happening. Very nice lobby. It smells nice, and they have a Disney store and place you can get sundries and even tickets. $24 for a Mickey pillow when you buy 2. Otherwise they're $30 each. You get a 2019 Disney hoodie for $49.99. How much are those? $54.99. No, it's not that bad. Little treats like these Disney shortbread cookies. All your standard little snacks. I think you've got both of these ears. Get a Mickey hat for $17.99. Magic bands here. I like the black one. I'm surprised I don't have it. Ooh, and they have these really nice beach towels. Sorcerer Mickey. A remote control monorail. $24.99. Michelle has this one. How much is it?
$26.99.
$26.99. See? Even starting to memorize the prices. Well, I like the lobby. I like the hardwood floor, very clean. The wood features of these lights, it's pretty neat. It's like driftwood. Very beachy. The Eclipse Lounge. Nice little spot to have a evening cocktail. And over here is the sundial 24/7. Your basic stuff. I have to say, very expensive. Bottled water is $5.75 for a large one. $12 for 2 bottles of water. Yikes. So while I was filming the little resort tour in the lobby, the resort bus came and went. There was actually no one even out there, and we watched it drive by. Well, Charmaine was, but she didn't know where we were. It's very nice of her not to hop on the bus and just go. So instead of waiting around for another bus, we're just walking over to Disney Springs. Because there's no direct buses from Disney Springs to any of the parks, we're going to hop on the bus that's going to take us to Yacht and Beach Club and walk over from there. Or maybe Swan and Dolphin, or one of those ones. Paddlefish. We've never eaten there. Not even when it was Fulton's. We've never been there. I've never heard good things about this location. It's like one of those cursed locations. It's just nothing ever seems to go right. Looks awesome though. Just about at the buses. You can see it's right by the water tower that says Disney Springs on it. I always say it's sort of close to the Coke store, but really they say it's close to the town center. So because there are no buses directly to the theme parks from Disney Springs, we're going to take the number 10, which is good for Boardwalk, Swan and Dolphin, and Yacht and Beach Club. Whichever one. We'll get to Epcot from there. 10 is over here. Pretty far. You have to walk around the big U-shaped area. But at least we didn't show up and just watch our bus pull away. That's always what seems to happen. Not this time. Always like this big globe. Right there. Every time I come through this entrance, at least the first time, I like to take a look at what's going on with Ratatouille. It is definitely heavily vertical now. It's really coming along. Awesome. It's going to be so fun. And let's not ignore this Skyliner. Everything here is so amazing. Those look so good. So we got the ham and cheese croissant, jambon et fromage. You think? Oh, avec œuf. Thank you. We got the cherry flan and a little Mickey beignet. What did you get, baby?
Ham.
Oh, brie. Ham and brie.
Chicken.
Oh, chicken, yeah. Poulette. Ooh. Macaron. Macaron. Beautiful. That's really good. It's one of our favorite places for breakfast. We're here late in the day, but it's one of the places that opens up before 11. It opens up at 9. The World Showcase. The rest of it doesn't open until 11. So this is a great spot. Let's try this beignet. It seems to be stuffed with something. I don't know what it is. Surprise. Look at that. Chocolate. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes the problem with beignets is they're really kind of greasy. But this is not at all. Michelle's enjoying her macarons. And that beignet, that's all that's left. It's super soft and not even a little bit greasy. Like a delicious soft donut filled with Nutella. So good. And now this cherry flan tart. Oh. It's really good. I think I like the beignet more, but they're very different kind of thing. Well, that was absolutely delicious, and the coffee was really, really good. feel much better now. Take on the day. We're going to slowly make our way over to Norway for our fast pass for Frozen. I'm going to see if they still have that Viking hot dog. I'm ready for more. We were heading to Norway when we got a little notice from Disney saying our fast pass for Frozen is no good right now. But that means it's turned into any fast pass. So if Frozen comes up again later, we can ride Frozen. Or, as we were just debating, whether we're going to use it to try for test track or go on Sauron again. We haven't quite decided, but I'm leaning towards Sauron. Some people don't know this, but I think you can actually go into here. Let's see. Whoa. Bye. Have fun. It's a 65-minute wait to get on Sauron, but we're using our multi-pass. For us, it's section B or
Nothing.
because I remember that in Sauron over California, everything being kind of weird and warped. But definitely in this one, and I do love this one, but only if I'm sitting in section B, it just takes me right out of the experience. Look at a little bunny. All the solar panels have been taken down from what was Ellen's Energy Adventure. Soon to be Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster, which will be awesome. Hey Michelle, you know what a light year is? It's like a regular year but with less calories. Hey Michelle, you know why the cow got in the spaceship? It wanted to go to the moon. Hey Michelle, you know what aliens' favorite kind of music is? Neptunes. Cool.
It's go time.
My logo.
There, I turned it off. I better turn it back on.
And no flag. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now.
Initiated.
Engineer, activate flight cameras. Now.
Initiated.
Launched from the Pacific. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris. Gliding. Now.
Wings extended.
All right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady. They're coming in too hot. Pull back. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Astronaut Corps. Okay.
Friday at Disney Springs, and I don't know, I'm assuming it's always really busy Friday nights. It's like the cool place to be is Disney Springs. We are on our way to Bongos, Gloria Estefan's restaurant here at Disney Springs. Cuban themed, Cuban food. Let's see how this goes. These are all just kind of children's hats. Dang it! Oh, they're just little hair clips. Oh, those are pretty cute.
25.
Not bad. Those are cute. Too cool for school. Once again, wasn't that long ago where you would have loved to have some blue kitty ears. That's it. That's the one. I don't think so. Well, heck. No. Kind of feel like we're going the wrong way, but we're not. Got our meal. Charmaine's got the garlic shrimp. What did you get? You got the chicken. Got some plantains and rice. And I got the short ribs. It looks fantastic. And the mojito is almost gone. I'm gonna try the braised short rib. So good. And along with it is this mashed plantain. This rich sauce. That's so good. I'm gonna try one of Charmaine's shrimp. Good. I'm happy with what I chose. What do you think? Really good? I love those plantains, and that rice is amazing. This is like a plantain, like a little cake, or like a little, I don't know what you call it, like a pancake? Very good. Bongos Cuban Cafe, fantastic. Absolutely loved it. The braised short ribs were so good. I love plantains. Everything was really good. So rather than having dessert at Bongos, Alan suggested that we come here to Amorette's. So we are here, and I have chosen, which is the classic Amorette's Mickey Dome cake. It's a little cheesecake. My friend Dakota has this beautiful raspberry tart. Michelle had the Valentine Rose, which is pretty much gone at this point. So beautiful. It's almost a shame to cut into it, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Cut his buttons. So good. Cream, like a cheesecake on the outside with chocolate cake in the inside, like a ganache actually, with a raspberry glaze. Oh, so good. Well, that was another incredible night. Dinner at Bongos. What else did we do? Oh man, Epcot. Girls are leaving me. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time from the Holy Moly.